Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. So in this video I will show you how to create an engine construction page for your website. So sometimes you've been working on your website and you don't want people to visitors to see your work and on the website until you're done fixing your website. So in this video we'll show you how to create under construction page. This will allow you to hide your work behind, and a visitor can only see, other visitors can only see under construction page that you are working on the website, and you can put anything you want on this page. So first thing to do, go over plugin and click on add new, and we're gonna need this plugin called Render Construction. So here is the plugin, guys, Render Construction, and all you need to do now is click on install now and then activate the plugin. So guys, after the plugin was installed and activated, in order to go to the plugin, all you need to do is select settings, and here under those options you will find a new line called Render Construction. Just click on it and this will bring you directly to the plugin settings, where you can set up your Render Construction page. And here you have the main menu. Here you can enable or disable the Render Construction page, and here you can prevent search engine from indexing your temporary website. But those options, this option is only available if you upgrade to the Pro version. So if you like this plugin, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Basically all the basics are in the free version, so I am only using the free one. And here you can select the design that you want to appear to your audience. For example, there is multiple free design available. Those with the stars are for the Pro version, so you can select anyone here without this star and you can use it. So for example, let's select this one for example. Let's click on activate, and here on content, here you can change everything related to your Render Construction page, the text and the links and everything. In order to activate also Render Construction page, you can activate it by clicking here and clicking directly to. So now the Render Construction page is activated. Let's try the website now. So here we have this message that means that Render Construction is enabled, but you are whitelisted, so we can see the normal website because we are in the dashboard, signed in the dashboard. For example, if I make a new incognito windows, or using another PC or phone, when I will go to the website, here you can see only the Render Construction page. So let's change those text. To change those text, all you need to do is go over content, and here in the title, here we have site title and is Render Construction. So we're doing some work on our website. So here you can change the text to whatever you want. here is the headline, as you can see here, and here the content. Here, as you can see, there is some links for your Facebook if you want to link your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google page. So let's try it, for example, with our YouTube channel. So you can put the link of your YouTube channel here, and let's save the changes. Let's refresh this page and let's see the final results. So as you can see, as I change it on the settings, sort of doing some work on our website, and here you can change it as well if you want. And here, if here any social media that you enter, the plugin creates automatically an icon for this social media. Here, if anyone clicks, it will redirect the visitor directly to my channel. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you understand how you can create your own custom under construction page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free, and don't forget to give us a like and a comment if you want. Thank you guys.